I would say we cooperate with the media in two ways. In the one way that, of course, the media are crucial to inform us about where human rights are at stake, where there are problems, as well as, of course, we use the media to distribute the evidence that we have collected on the ground about human rights violations. So you could say there's a two-way feeding each other on that, where media, of course, are crucial in human rights protection, creating awareness. So that's one dimension. The other dimension where we work with the media is that the media, of course, also as a key actor in society, play a crucial role, for example, in reflecting the diversity that we have in Europe, in the world, in most countries. Is that done good enough? Are all the journalists, so to say, majority population journalists who interview majority population experts about minorities, instead of involving minorities in the journalism, reflecting that diversity in the TV room, in the radio, in the media? I think that is where we have also a very close interaction with a lot of media throughout Europe.